Yeah, I know. It's been a little while. Ha, well, good morning. I'm back. Definitely was gone for about 9 days, which I don't like to be gone that long, but weather permitting and me feeling like crap because the whole Georgia went from like 75 degrees to like 30 degrees overnight. And when I tell you I had to sleep with one nostril, boy, horrible, bro. I'm just feeling better. And I was like, you know what? I need to get out and about. And I need to go ahead and chop it up with my folks. Let them know what's going on. But anyway, I'm Ra, Small 3 Cobra. And this is my POV channel for the most part. It's not totally POV, but for the most part. I have lots of updates as far as what's going on with the car, what's going on with my wheels. Most of the parts came in. They're all sitting up and injected. And we're just waiting on actually the tubular K member to come in. And we could go ahead and get this party started. Yes, I will be full bolt-on E85. I've been riding around with my headers in my trunk of my car for like the last 2 weeks, which is cool. You know, I could care less about bringing them in the house, but yep. I have my headers. I have everything else that I could possibly need. Wow, he just ran that light. Everything else I could possibly need. And I am ready. The only other thing I really need to get myself, I need to order some new back tires. I had some 305 35 18s, some Nitos, NT01s, but I recently purchased some new wheels and they are too small. And if 305 35s are too small, that should tell you that in itself that I got some pretty sizable wheels. Of course, it's a lady. I got some pretty sizable wheels, and what I've done with them, I've actually did something a little custom to them. Shouts out to I missed that. Shouts out to Black Mamba on Instagram. He's been guiding me and showing me the light and helping me. Yeah, actually a few people have put their input in. I consistently talk to the Black Mamba on Instagram, and definitely helped me out a whole lot. But yeah, man, we are at that point where the car will be sat down probably about, I want to say no more than a week or two between, you know, the installation of the pulleys, the 4-pound lower, new belt, this, that, and the third, all of these things. From all of these things, probably about 2 weeks. You know, it's not a lot of stuff. I believe if I grab that K member, the header install might be a little easier. That's a Chevy. I don't know why it sounded like that. But yeah, I believe if I get that K member and those control arms, it'll be a lot easier on the guys when they're installing it, which would be cool. Drop a few pounds my damn self. I'm actually trying to go pick up some seats for this car. What seats, may you ask? You will have to find out. I actually gotta go take a drive for it to pick them up, but yeah, definitely trying to pick up some seats. I got a couple of interior upgrades that I want to take care of. You know, small stuff, nothing crazy. It definitely looks like it's about to rain. And this is exactly why I got out and about. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so glad I'm getting over this damn flu, because boy, I tell you, it is no fun being sick, especially when it's nice outside. Can't do anything. You want to go outside, you want to go places, but you can't. You're just kind of stuck, you know? Headers, I really want to see what sound difference they made it to my existing exhaust. I want to see if it gets deeper or louder, but we'll see. Oh, Granny. Okay. Granny's cool. For sure. Woo, Lord have mercy. E85. I know 2 gas stations around here that has E, and I heard that one has the best, so probably filling up there more than likely. I really want to see what kind of gas mileage I get with E85, you know, especially like getting on it and actually driving like a sane person. I want to see the differences and what I actually have going on, so we'll see. We shall see. Damn, bro. Tucker. It's crazy. I've been here through so many different phases of this place's like metamorphosis, if you will. For real. Shouts out to the guys at this Advance. They definitely looked out for me. Gotta love them. Mr. FedEx man. Shout out to the job. Definitely just wanted to get out and about and update you guys on my life and where I've been for the last couple days. But I'm back, don't worry, I feel good. 9 days. Well, it's been about 9 days. But, you know, health is wealth. Make sure you take care of yourself. The flu is nothing to play with. And keep in mind, y'all worked that whole time. Can't lose the bag over being sick. But anyway, I'm Ra. It's my 03 Cobra. This car will be getting full bolt-on treatment very soon. I will see you soon. Not as long as last time. Peace.